Good morning students, a very warm welcome to each and every one of you. Consider the situations that a school management wants to build a fence around the school. A builder of this building wants to buy exact number of tiles that fits exactly the floor of a room. How do we help them? Yes. To perform these tasks exactly, we use concepts called perimeter and area. These words are related with a special branch of mathematics which is known as mensuration. Look at the figures. We can make them by bending a wire into the desired shapes. If we start from a point on the boundary and move along the boundaries of these figures, we will come back again to the starting point. So the distance thus covered will be the length of the wire used to make the figure. This distance is called the perimeter. The word perimeter is derived from the Greek words peri and meter. Peri means around and meter means measure. Thus, perimeter is the length of the boundary of a figure. Next, units of perimeter. Since perimeter is a measure of length, it is measured in units of length. Perimeter is usually expressed in millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. This millimeter, centimeter and meter are used to measure smaller lengths, and this kilometer is used to measure greater length of or distances. Look at this figure. What does the shaded part of this figure represent? Yes, this is called area. This shaded part is called area. Yes. What is the name of this shape? Yes, this is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a plane figure bounded by four straight lines. It has four sides AB, BC, CD and AD. Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D are four angles. The lines AC and BD are called its diagonal. What is the name of this shape? Yes, it is a square. What do you know about square? Yes, it has four sides and four angles. And these four sides and four angles are equal. And these four angles are equal to 90 degree. And diagonals are equal in length. And its area is, if A is the length of the side, then its area is equal to A square units. Perimeter is 4 times of A units. A rectangle is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and all the four angles are equal to 90 degree. Diagonals are equal in length. If L and B are the length and breadth of the rectangle, then its area is equal to length into breadth square units. Perimeter is 2 times of length plus breadth units. Is it clear, children? Yes. Yes. What is the name of this shape? Yes, any closed figure by three lines is called a triangle. A triangle has three sides, angle A, angle B and angle C. If B is the base and H is the altitude of a triangle, then its area is equal to half times of breadth into height square units. And perimeter is sum of the three sides. And note that if a triangle is right angle triangle, then one angle is 90 degree. Let us solve the examples. Example 1. Find the area of a square of side 9.1 centimeter. Also find its perimeter. So here they ask you to find that area of the square and perimeter of the square. And they given the side as 9.1 centimeter. So what's the formula for area of the square? Yes, area of the square is equal to A square units. Now substitute the value of A here, 9.1 into 9.1. Or you can write it as 9.1 the whole square. Both are correct. What's the unit here? The unit is centimeter. So you have to write it as centimeter square. So when you multiply 91 and 91, you will get 8281. So here how many decimal points are there? Yes, 2 decimal points are there. So after two digits, you have to keep the decimal point here. So the answer is 82.81 centimeter square. Next they ask you to find perimeter of the square. What's the formula for perimeter of the square? Yes, 4 into A units. Now 4 into, substitute the value of A as 9.y and the unit is centimeter. Now you will get the answer as 36.4 centimeter. Is it clear, children? Yes. Example 2. The area of a square is 65.61 square centimeter. Find its perimeter. Let us solve this one. The area of this square, they given us 65.61 square centimeter, or you can write it as centimeter square. And they ask you to find the perimeter of a square. Area is given as 65.61 centimeter square. So area is nothing but A square is equal to 65.61 centimeter square. From this we have to find A. So here the square root, when it comes to this side, it becomes a root 65.61. When you factorize the number 6561, so you will get the answer as 4 times of 9. That is, this is nothing but a square of the number 81. So first we have to remove the decimal point of this one. So you have to write it as 65.61, multiply the numerator as well as the denominator by 100 to remove the decimal point. So we will get the numerator as 6561 divided by 100, which is equal to 4 times of 9. We have done here now. 4 times of 9 divided by 10 into 10. So for this 2 9, we have to take one 9 outside, and again for this 2 divided by, we have to take one 10 outside. So what's the value of 9 into 9? Yes, 9 9s are 81 divided by 10. 81 divided by 10 is 8.1. So we have find the area as 8.1 centimeter. What they ask us to find? Yes, they have asked us to find the perimeter of the square. What's the formula? Yes, 4a units. You can write it as 4 into a is 8.1 and the unit is centimeter, which is equal to, multiply these two numbers, 1 4 is 4, 4 into 8 is 32. So after one digit you have to keep the decimal point. 32.4 centimeter. The perimeter of the square is 32.4 centimeter. Is it clear, children? Yes. Let us have a small recall of what we have learnt in today's class. What is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a plane figure bounded by 4 straight lines. What's the area of the square? Yes, area of the square is a square units, and perimeter of the square is 4a units. The area of the rectangle is L into b square units. Perimeter of the rectangle is 2 times of L plus b units. Area of the triangle is half BH square units, and perimeter of the triangle is sum of the 3 sides. Children, be thorough with the formulae, because based on this only we are going to solve problems in the forthcoming classes. Thank you.